Well, hello, there's my puppy Peanut. Say hi to Peanut. Good boy. This is the front ISO. I want to take a look inside. See all the crud that's in there? Let me do a zoom in. Or a zoom out, depending on how you look at it. You see all that crud? I'm going to clean that out with a brake cone, just so that the new ISOs will slip in smoothly. All right, let's see how this works. Brake cone here. Put it in there. Let's see if that's any better. Hopefully. Now that's a bit of difference. Nice and smooth. All right, this is a 1975 Mark III. So the adjusters on the front isolastic is on the right side of the bike. The fixed isolastic cap is on the left side of the bike. The unit goes with the legs facing down, and end caps go on here, plastic goes here, adjuster goes here, the other side same thing, end cap, fiber, cap, like so. So that's how you prep it to get it ready to go together. All right, preparing to pull the front rubber ISOs into the front motor mount. Little bit of pressure on them. Help it feed its way in. Hopefully without stabbing myself. I lubricated it with a little bit of white lithium grease, unless you think I shouldn't have used white lithium grease, in which case I didn't. But there, we got a good start, nice even all the way around. Let's see how it goes. And pulling nicely. Okay, now we're up against this one. Let's loosen up just a little bit. Put some white lithium grease on it, unless you think I shouldn't use white lithium grease, in which case I didn't. Okay, the bottom is started. Do a little nudging on the top. Trying not to stab myself. Good start all around. Nicely drawn in. Previous experience tells me that's about the right amount of gap. Let's find out. That's pretty even on both sides. Leave it like that. Okay. Get the light. And let's see if I can show it to you. Here's the gap on this side. And there's the gap on the other side. Pretty even. And the new ISO rubbers are in the front motor mount. Okay, so far so good. All right, I'm going to install the rear isoelastics now. I've got them all set up to go in from this side, and I'll pull them out the other side. I had this lubricated with a little bit of white lithium grease, unless you think I shouldn't use white lithium, in which case I don't. Over here, we'll just go around, set the camera up, and see if I can pull them in through successfully. That should be pretty good. This is just keeping the threaded rod from turning. This is doing the pull in. I've got pressure on it now, so I'm going to go around the other side and do a little pressing on the edges of the rubber to make sure it goes in smoothly. Like that. There we go. Good, we've got good insertion all around. That should pull in smoothly, theoretically. Here we go. I did clean out the isoelastic tube. That's nice and clean. Put a little lubrication in there. Once again, white lithium grease, unless you think I shouldn't use it, in which case I didn't. All right, I'm going to stop the video and resume when I get closer. All right, the ISOs are all the way in. I've got a good gap right here, and just about an equal gap on both sides. Time to take the tools off, and it's 2:45 in the afternoon here. It's 100 degrees outside. And since I have not yet brought in my cooler, it's 100 degrees inside. So I'm going to call it a day. we'll worry about hanging the engine tomorrow. But right now the ISOs are in the rear, ISOs are in the front assembly. Tomorrow we will jack and straighten the motor and put the through bolts through on both of those, and we will have changed out the ISOs. So that was fun. Putting all this back together, put it back in my special tools drawer, and can't beat that with a stick. And that is all.